Thinking of starting an interior design business in Singapore? With ongoing demand from residential, commercial, and retail spaces, interior design remains a strong and creative business opportunity in Singapore's built environment sector. An interior design business may offer residential design, commercial fit-outs, renovation consultancy, or design and build services. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and define the appropriate design, consultancy, or renovation-related business activities. Next, regulatory and industry compliance is important. Depending on your scope of work, this may include compliance with renovation guidelines, workplace safety requirements, and coordination with licensed contractors. Clear contracts, project timelines, and proper documentation help manage client expectations and project risks. Operational planning plays a key role in success. This includes building a design portfolio, sourcing suppliers and contractors, pricing your services, managing project costs, and protecting intellectual property. Strong financial planning ensures healthy cash flow and tax compliance as your business grows. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support interior design and creative service businesses with company incorporation, tax planning, regulatory compliance, and accounting services, so you can focus on delivering inspiring spaces.